to the big wall, and he's putting the spotlight on the top movers at this hour at 11.
Oh, well, shrimp and textiles, of course, the buzzwords of today's trading session. So it can start off with one such name. It's called Faze 3 Exports, and that has a very similar line of business to Wellspun Living in terms of beds, bed sheets and rugs and so on. It's the biggest single day gain on record for the stock, a 20% upper circuit here. Third straight day of gains, up 32% now in the last 3 trading sessions. Now already had 6.7 lakh shares trade hands in that 20% upper circuit now, compared to a 20-day average of 53,000. Mind you, of course, the stock does not have any institutional holding, but Ashish Kacholia has a 5.5% stake in the company at the end of the June quarter. And as a result of this move, the stock has now extended its gains for the year. It's up 25% now on a year-to-date basis. The other one is Himadri Specialty Chemicals, and today has snapped a 4-day losing streak, 5.5% higher on this stock today, and on significantly high volumes as well. More than 33 lakh shares traded already in the first couple of hours, compared to a 20-day average of just over 3 lakh shares. And with this one move, the stock is back above all of its key moving averages, be it the 50, 100 or the 200-day moving average, but is an underperformer this year, is down 17% still. But over the last 3 years, the stock has seen a 10x plus jump in terms of returns. Oracle Financial Services is the one. Of course, Rima spoke about IT, and of course this has its own reasons as well, considering the very strong results that its parent company reported. The biggest single day gain since May, now 8% higher on the stock, and the volumes already are set to cross the highest they had since the month of June. We had close to 7 lakh shares now that have already traded, compared to a 20-day average of just 31,500 shares. It's broken above its 50 and 100-day moving average today, and the next important level to watch on the upside is the 200-day moving average, which comes around levels of 90 to 70, yet down 13% from its record high levels of well over 13,000 rupees. And the last one on the list is Cartrade Technologies. It's on the downside. The stock is now down 15%. It's the biggest single day fall that the stock has seen on record. Snapped a 3-day gaining streak. 8.5 lakh shares have already been traded, compared to a 20-day average of just 1.5 lakh. And before today's trading session, the stock was up almost 75% in the last 3 months. And from the March 2023 low to the highs that the stock saw yesterday, the stock was up 8x in value, and then seeing some profit booking today after the downgrade that has come in from JM Financial. So Cartrade Tech on the downside, most of the other names too moving higher in today's session.
All right, Hormuz, thank you so much for joining us with that list. But we have